how to log out of your Facebook account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can log out of your Facebook account and then maybe try logging in into a new one. So let me show you how to do that. So first open your Facebook application by tapping onto the app icon, and once your Facebook application opens it will lead you to the home page. So now within the home feed you don't have to do anything. So simply click onto these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of the screen, and once you'll tap onto them you will be landed onto the menu. Now within this menu you will need to scroll down at the least bottom, and at the very last you will see this logout button right here. Simply click onto this logout option and it will give you a prompt that says log in easier next time. So if you want to, you can add your accounts to the same account center to make it easier to log in across Meta. So if you want to, you can continue, or you can click onto this no logout now last button in order to log out of your Facebook account. So that's how easy it is to log out of your Facebook account. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.